Welcome to this GoBright Administrator video. During this video we will discuss how the administrator can make edits to the visitor management configuration previously created as part of the functional implementation. We know at GoBright that changes will need to be made to the platform once that initial functional implementation has been completed. So let's have a look how easily as a system administrator you can make changes. Well, let's go into settings and we'll go down to visit. As part of the configuration, different offices would have been set up, so we're going to go to the office we require the changes made. And that will open up the different types of visitor, so whether they're visitor or contractor, and we can see in this case the visitor has a mail template, say, of UK locations associated with it. So if we came down to badges, we might need to make changes to a badge. And at the bottom where we'll start, we've got that UK locations mail template actually set up. So let's have a look at this. It could be we don't actually need this image at the bottom of the email invitation. So we'll delete it. And it could be you just want to have a little bit more text. And so let's save it. And that's changed our mail template. Let's have a look at badges and how we could edit a badge. So from our badge, and we're just using the standard badge, we might want to actually add in an extra field, which we can do. And this time we'll change this to actually be a field. And it's going to be the company name. You'll see that appears at the top left-hand corner of the badge because we've got an XY coordinate of 0, 0. But if we want the company name on that left-hand margin, then we just keep it as 0. And we might actually want the badge to be down, the company name field to be down at 40. And we can change the width to the badge width itself of 86. You can see that overlaps the QR code, which we don't need. So we can actually move the QR code up the page. And we can see that change has been made. So we've now added in the company name to the badge and we've changed where the QR code is located. Going to types, it could be that you need to add in another type. So we can simply add in another type and we might call this one staff. And we can make the changes accordingly where we don't need to actually have any pre-registration, but we're just creating a whole new type of visitor. So that's how, as a system administrator, you can start to make changes to the pre-existing visitor management area. Thank you for watching this GoBright Administrator Support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.